Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sathish. I am Assistant Manager in Otto Bilz India Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is IAG 3410. It is the top end model in string fit machine in Bilz. You can string this machine from 3 to 32 mm diameter. If you want, we can increase the heating coil up to 50 mm. It's a WS model. And we can try a disc like 3 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 20, like up to 32 we can string. This capacity is, it gives around a 3 microns runout. This is Otto Bilz India Private Limited. We are started in 1990. It's a 110 years company. We have a head office in Germany and we have a branch in Bengaluru, Dodlapur. We have 2 plants in Bengaluru. And we are manufacturing tool holders, cutting tools and taps and bollarades. We are per month, we are manufacturing minimum 30,000 holders. And for this INTEC, we got a good opportunities and we got a good inquiries.